I just made a 2-minute workplace drama before my lunch break. And no, I didn't touch a single node in Comfy UI. Most creators are out there dragging around 50 nodes and losing their minds over workflows. But I just typed 3 sentences and let AI handle the rest. If you want high production short films without the engineer level learning curve, you need to see how this works. Zooclaw, folks, is a multi-agent platform responsible for creating and customizing different AI agents for various creative workflows. One of its standout agents is the Vibe Drama agent, powered by Seed Dance 2.0, which allows users to generate narrative short films through an extremely simple voice chat interface. Now today, this is honestly going to be my first attempt at doing this. And I've heard that it only takes a matter of minutes, maybe within 15 minutes and not too many credits to get it done. So I'm really excited to show you exactly how it all works. All right, let's go ahead and give this a go. Now, all the links will be in the video description for zooclaw.ai, that's the website. We're going to show you just how cool and easy this is. All right, so basically, guys, it's not just another AI assistant, it's going to help you create something absolutely flawless. You choose your specialist, give it a task, and get your work underway. Right, so first of all, we're just going to get signed in. Okay, so we're on zooclaw.ai/chat right now. We've got Vibe Drama open on the team, as well as the assistant. And you can actually go ahead and hire different ones here, which is really cool. Things like AI, fitness coach, soulmate, SlideForge. So we're going to go with Vibe Drama because that's the one we mentioned earlier. So it basically gives us an idea for a short drama. All right, so it's fully AI. So we've already got that one open now. As we can see, it's here. We can see it, and we can actually go ahead and open up the chat with Vibe Drama right now. So here it is, Vibe Drama. How's it going? Welcome to the director's chair. All right, let's get something going. So we're going to pop our prompt in here. Create a cinematic 2-minute workplace drama about a young intern wrongly blamed for deleting an important company file. This is going to be funny. The office turns against her until the security footage reveals the real culprit. Include emotional dialogue, realistic office scenes, and so on. Okay, so the style should feel like a Netflix short film trailer. As we can see here, Vibe Drum is typing. They're working through it. As we can see here, that came through really quickly. We've got the different segments here, different segments. The power struggle, the workplace isolation, drama, a bit of a hybrid face slap. Yep, I like that one. Let's go ahead again. Let's go with face slap. Pop that prompt in there and see what we get. Let's go ahead. Let's bang that in. Vibe Dramas typing again. We're getting the episode arc, 4 episodes, 30 to 60 seconds each. We've got all 4 episodes from 1 to 4 coming through. Episode 1 is laid out, accused. This is cool. The core dramatic purpose is there with hooks at the end to lead us into episode 2. We've got everything, dialogue, the beats, everything's there. So it's very detailed, what Vibe Drama's managed to do here. I'm just scrolling through, having a bit of a look, making sure nothing really stands out. That was sort of unhappy with when it comes to the scenes, but it all seems to look pretty cool to me, I think. Got the different characters in there as well, the different props, the different scenes. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, let's go. I like it, you know, it's like we're talking to a real person here, a real agent. So we're happy with it. All right, let's go. We've got the rest of it going through there. Got some recommendations, which is really cool in terms of the realism and things like that. I like how it lists all the characters there as well too. Got all the different progs. Mai Chen is the female lead. Derek Walsh is the villain. Yep, Linda's the supervisor. So we're putting together a film all before lunch break, folks. Oh, and this is really cool. Have a look at this. So this is Mai Chen, our first character, okay, who is the female lead. And have a look at the consistency across the scenes here. Different expressions. Different photo angles, but you can really tell that it's the same person from shot to shot. This is the Derek Walsh villain. You can see he's a bit smug. He's going to be the cheeky guy, right? Bit of a corporate office vibe. But again, you can see it's the same person. And Linda, here is the supervisor. And have a look, that's the subtle differences in the expressions and just the attention to detail and the realism. Like, look at that necklace and like the moles around the necklace and the skin tones. Really, really cool. So the characters are locked in. I'm excited to basically go ahead and get to the next step now. Okay, so these are the scenes in the boardroom, in the office, as we can see. Very realistic. Very Netflix vibe as well, actually. So they've actually really listened to that prompt quite well. Yeah, some really cool shots. I mean, I've got to say, blimey, this is really impressive. It's all done. Everything's been locked in. The ratios are locked in as well. The quality as well. Okay, so they're ready for the big video generation now. Should we look it in? Yeah, Pro 1080. Okay, yep. 16:9 landscape. Episode 1. Here we go. We got the whole minute. day.
The final total that we've calculated for this particular section of the report comes to 47, which is the specific figure we were looking for today. Still completely invisible to them. Quietly here, 5 years of client data deleted. I did not. Please, I need to explain. There is nothing to explain. See the next day. Do not cry.
It is quite apparent, notable contrast to be found here, especially when one takes the time to examine the situation more closely.
Think about this one actually. Wow, as I say, I am really impressed. That's the best short film I've seen, put together in such a short amount of time. I'm ready. I'm here to see episode 2. I mean, that is really impressive. The close-ups, the visuals, the cinematics, and that's without even any extra edits or prompts or anything like that. I mean, this is absolutely unbelievable. And I'm just being honest with you, like, wow, that is really impressive. What do you lot think? Let us know in the comments. Did that give you a bit of a Netflix vibe? Okay, so we're going to head into the AI Specialist Hub here. Let's just have a quick look. We can pop over to the TVC studio right here, who we're going to go and hire. Okay, so we've got another one on the team, which is brilliant. So we're going to add some files and photos here. Show you lot what we can do with a TV studio agent. Add our assets in Odavir. So we've added in just like a little spray bottle type purview here. Create a luxury cinematic advert for this product. Include dramatic lighting, premium slow motion shots, stylish camera movement, bold text overlays, energetic background music, and a commercial vibe similar to a global fashion brand campaign. So let's see what they can do with this. Nice one. All right, so what do you lot think in the comments? Different angles, same bottle. Really impressive, because a lot of the AI agents I've worked with in the past can't really manage to keep things consistent across different frames, which can be quite frustrating. But they've actually come up with a couple of different segment options here between 0 and seconds. Wow, I mean, AI is getting so impressive these days. This Seed Dance 2.0 technology is unbelievable. Wow, just the simple fact of that rotation and how it genuinely looks like it's the same scene all the way through. Honestly, in my opinion, this could easily be a standard real advert. I wouldn't even say that was AI. That's how impressive this Seed Dance 2.0 technology is now, with these agents here on Zooclar. Like, just ridiculously impressive. But let me know what you lot think in the comments. I'll be quite interested to hear from those of you watching out there. And I have to say, folks, when it comes to the pain point of using Comfy Hub as an example for this particular node setup, it's just such a steep learning curve that we really want to avoid. And we can do that with Zooclar. Honestly, it's just far too involved. It's much easier with Zooclar. So folks, the thing is, you're swapping that raw node manipulation for sheer speed and smooth generation. One agent covers everything, from serious, indulgent dramas like we showed you at the start, to more serious work uses, which we demonstrated at the end with that advert. Zooclar really does make it just as easy to create these high quality, creative, cinematic, Netflix-style dramas, if that's what you want, as it is to simply post on social media. Do you prefer fine-grained control or the chat-to-finish video style? Try Zooclar for yourself today at the link below. Use my exclusive code shown here on the screen and also at the top of the video description. But be quick, because the first 20 users get 2,000 free credits to start their own blockbuster.